Professor, Department of BCA and CM College of Arts and Science, Kollam, Raikanpuram. Today we will see about data types in Python. Data types in Python. Every value in Python has a data type. Since everything is an object in Python programming, data types are actually classes and variables are instance of these classes. Some of the data types in Python are first one is Python numbers, second one is Python string, third one is Python list, fourth one is Python tuple, fifth one is Python dictionary. So numbers data types in Python. Python supports integer or floating point numbers and the complex number. They are defined as int. Float and complex class in Python. So integer and floating point are separate by the presence or absence of a decimal point. 5 is integer whereas 5.0 is a floating point numbers. So complex numbers are written in the form x plus yj, where x is the real part of and y is the imaginary part. So numbers data types in Python. We can use the type function to know which class a variables or a value belongs to an instant function to check if it belongs to the particular class. Python list. List is an ordered sequence of items, and these items in a list do not need to be same data type. So list is a collection of which is ordered and changeable, is allowed duplicate numbers. So in Python programming, list is created by placing all the items inside a sequence bracket or parenthesis by commas. It can have any number of items and they may be of different type of integer, float, string and etc. So lists are mutable and they can be altered even after the creation. So we can use the index operator to access an item a list. Index start from 0. So a list having 5 elements will be index from 0 to 4. So list methods in Python. Length, minimum, maximum. So length is function returns the length of list. Minimum, the function returns the minimum elements of list. Maximum, this function returns the maximum elements of list. So print length. So print length list, print minimum list, print maximum list. List method in Python. Counting. This function count be number of occurrence of elements list. Print list dot count 3. Sum syntax length. So sum calculate the sum of the elements of list. Syntax sum. So open bracket list close brackets. So length. So content total length of list. Syntax length open bracket list underscore name. Creating a tuple. So a tuple is created by placing all the items. So inside the parentheses. So separate by comma. The parentheses are optional. However, it is a good practice to use them. So a tuple can have any number of items and they may be of different type of integer, float, list, string and etc. So creating a tuple with one element. So having one element within parentheses is not enough. We will need a trailing comma to indicate that is in fact a tuple. Access tuple elements. We can use the index operators. Index start from 0. So a tuple having 6 elements will be indicate indices from 0 to 5. So mutable versus immutable. A variable is nothing but a reference to the actual Python object in memory. The variable itself is not